What's up, guys? Brian Peacock back once again. Epic Outdoor Adventures. When do we pick our peppers? That's a good question. I've been having some questions about when do we pick peppers, when are they best to pick. And you know what? Peppers can be picked at any time. They can be picked as small as this. You can eat this little guy just like that. And there's nothing wrong with that guy. It tastes just the same as it would bigger. It's just not as much there. So all green peppers are unripe peppers. And most peppers will always turn either red, orange, yellow, or whatever color that they are bred to be. Now you got purple ones and blonde ones, which are kind of like a creamy, whitey, yellowish color. There's all kinds of colors of peppers now. You know, sweets and hots and all that stuff. So peppers, you know, they get sweeter when they're riper for the sweet peppers, and the hot peppers get hotter as they get turned color. And especially the hot ones, when they start to get little cracks on them, that's when you know when they're really hot. So if you see little cracks in them, like little dry cracks that are in the bottom of the pepper, you know that it's going to be a hot one. So if you don't like them as hot, make sure you pick those hot peppers before you get little cracks in them. If you like the regular green pepper taste, then you can harvest these green peppers at any size. And if you like them a little sweeter, just wait till they turn the color that they are designated. Usually just a regular green pepper turns red or orange when ripe, unless it's specifically a certain bred, like yellow or orange or purple or blonde. So, yep, pick your peppers whenever you need to, guys, all right? The more you pick these peppers, the more blooms you're going to push out. And I don't like to let them get too big because it slows down production. So I just start using them. So I start using them right about this size. Like this size, I'll start using as soon as I need another pepper. This is the first one that's going to go right now. So, and then, you know, we just got bunches and bunches more coming in on. I got six sweet pepper plants, and they're just loaded down with peppers right now. So we're definitely got enough peppers. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Keep the questions coming in, and I'll keep the videos going. We appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time.